Oh, what the fuck? Really? What a douchebag.
Right? Who the royal figure is. Right? So,
exit dive.
what I see to be the exilic version.
It's a Jeep thing.
They are imagining.
I don't understand.
Very much.
Sorry, go on.
No, he's even when he's not mentioned in the text, sometimes he is behind the scenes, and you can see the same, you know, rhetorical maneuvers that,
Wait,
you know, that fit.
was he backing up to get to the on-ramp? You know, there's a second ramp to 33. Just get off of there and just make a U-turn once you get off. Yeah. Boy. I have a feeling that someone's going to extra regret this because they can't read the signs. This is going to be a fun construction zone. Oh, yep, there's one. Called it.
You want to go Thelma and Louise on it? Now, I should point out there are a lot of legends about how Sophocles died. According to one, the author of Oedipus.
Someone's about to screw up this thing. Yep, there's one. Exit regret, asshole. Yeah, this is bound to be a hot spot for bad driving, cheating around traffic assholes because of the stupid construction. Bad, bad, bad. Stop it! No, stop! Yep, this is the high-class content that you came in here for. So like, comment, and subscribe. Because you'll love this video. I promise. Red light, run. Two of yous. You can go now. You can go now. Red light, run. Red light. Oh, another red light, run. Yep, I was going to sing the song, but I decided not to anymore because there's two of them. So, there you go. No stop! Toyota!
Naive when we shot this thing, thank God I was like, oh yeah, we're gonna shot this, and they're gonna look at it for 1 minute and go, what the fuck?
We're gonna, yep. Did he? I don't think he did, so. Wait, did that guy like sit at the light for forever? It seems like.
Yeah. The fucking terrorists, man. I'm so glad I'm not watching that. So anyway, but I think what is out there,
whoa,
it's just
hey,
create all these different
really?
scenes. And like I said, dude, I think, dude, I got like, I don't know out the guy, but dude, there's a guy. I got you guys. No, I know, no, this guy is not.
Missile left. Toyota.
He's like a handyman. He like fixes shit, like elevators and stuff. I know this dude.
And that guy got honked after sitting there.
60s.
I heard that one. No stop!
The same ones. Don't open the doors yet.
So the townspeople, not wanting the bank to lose money, I guess, surround the bank?
Yeah,
seriously, dude.
We're still a long ways off. I get it. You know what? When I wrote that down, I totally
it's like
forgot
be
the
more
FBI.
like if you're gonna be in my way, like not take forever at it, like commit to it. Oh, and it's from the cops who's probably not gonna do anything.
Except Emmett Dalton. Emmett
Can we go a little faster, please?
Left,
You're
right,
taking this
and
way
some
slower
accounts
than I
have been
usually
wrong,
would
and
at this
18 to
ramp.
23 bucks.
I'd pay more for the. No, whatever. Everybody has their own.
Exit dive, way up there.
I didn't mean to comment on the race. Did your feet a little more? And Scarion's like, yeah, man, you're doing a great job washing my feet. And so Scarion's like, a little bit more.
Dive for the right turn.
And Scarion's like, yeah,
Bad, stop it.
And Scarion's like, oh, a little bit more. And then Macy's like, a little bit more. He's like, hey, Dad, like, do me a favor and take your dick out. No, I just want to show you
Is that
something.
a nice cutoff?
Normal dick stuff.
I'll look at that.
The weirdest fucking thing about this story now. Also, the original version of our stories are anti-Semitic propaganda, and not enough people acknowledge that. Are they?
No, that's true.
Yeah. That's also true of my.
Wait, is that no U-turn for the other direction too?
Holy shit! Page 36 for proper maintenance.
Yep.
Apply gasoline to the right. Miss Happy. Ibid. Alright, so before we go any further, I'd like to thank all the patrons
You actually
on
stopped.
behalf
Good
of all
job.
the non-patrons. They paid for your episode this week, guys. Maybe drop them a note and don't rely on me to remember to thank them for you, huh?
And a
If
back
you'd
up a
like to,
shame.
join their ranks, be sure to...
It's not bad per se. You're better than most. I expect you to just run it. But you're still going to go in the video because I don't know why. Red light, run. Wait, what the hell's that guy doing over there? They're realizing they can't turn. 490's closed. You can't turn that way. Well, it's not closed. You just can't get to the on-ramp.
Next thing you know, you have this big stupid fight. You know, trying to be in this whatever that fucking word is, Sophia mode. And she's going, I don't
Yeah,
wanna
go,
talk about
dude,
that.
go. Move, bitch, get out the way.
That might go against social norms, but still resonate with the listeners.
Red light, run.
No, dude.
Red light, run. Red light, run. That was left turn lane. Turn, dive. Yep. Stop it.
Glaciers stay glaciers in cold parts, right? And other glaciers
No,
that
stop.
have melted, that filled up the oceans, it's been stasis, relative stasis.
Yeah, you kind of
We are
stopped,
now
so good job, I
learning
guess.
that beyond searches in light control.
Littering! Stop it! Bad! That is the worst thing that you could do. No trucks in the left lane, no, you cannot be there. If we're in Connecticut, no trucks in the left lane, no, you cannot possibly be there. If we're in the much worse frickin' state of Connecticut, but fortunately we're in a lot better place. We're in Rochester, New York. They allow trucks here. I am not mad at them. I'm just singing a stupid song because, well, that's what I do now. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Alright, I'll see you next time. Alright, bye!